We'll continue with the exercise based on order of adjectives. Okay, exercise 3.3. Arrange the words in their correct order. One is done for you. Okay, the first one is teacher, lovely, old. So, how do you write it? Lovely, old, teacher. The second one, brown, small, package. So, you change it into small, brown, package. Friendly young man. Okay, that stays as it is. Friendly young man itself. Then writing desk, rough. So that becomes rough writing desk. New shiny shoe. Shiny new shoe. Okay, the last one. Frosty roads, dangerous. Frosty, dangerous roads. Okay, children. Now we'll do another exercise based on the same idea. Okay. Exercise 3.4. Choose the correct order of words from the brackets and complete the sentences. One is done for you. Okay, in this exercise, they have given you the adjectives in the brackets. You have to just complete the sentence by using that adjective. Okay. He was wearing a dirty old shirt. Okay. So, dirty old shirt. The second one. Pass me the dash. Big green mug. Okay. So whenever you're writing the order of adjectives, remember to ask the question what, when, where. Okay. See, for example, if you ask, pass me what? The big green mug. Okay. So then you know that you've written it correctly. Okay. The next one. I used to drive dash an old white ambassador. So again, children, if you ask a question, what did you drive? You'll get the answer as an old white ambassador. Then, dump the waste in the dash. Yellow cleaning container. So where should you dump the waste? In the yellow cleaning container. Then, the fifth one. He sat behind a dash. Large writing desk. So, what question? Where did he sit? Behind a large writing desk. Okay, the sixth one. She gave him a pretty glossy vase. Okay, what did she give him? She gave him a pretty glossy vase. Okay, this is how you write the order of the adjectives. Okay, children, we'll move on to the next part of your module, that is notice writing. How to write a notice. Okay, see, what is a notice? A notice is a brief formal piece of communication that contains details regarding a certain event or process. It should contain the following elements. Okay, see, you'll come to, when you'll come to school, you'll see something called a notice board. Okay, so in that there will be some, something written, some information that has to be given to all the students. Okay, something which has happened in the school. Okay, that is a notice. So what are the elements? What should be there in a notice? First thing is a proper heading or title. Okay, it should have a proper heading. The name of the school and what is the notice based on, what is the topic. Then next is the date of issue, when this notice was printed. Then name and designation of the issuing authority. I mean, who gives the notice? Suppose it is your school. Okay, you will have the name of the school and the principal, all that. Then relevant content. What has to be written in the notice? What has to be printed? Okay, the content should answer questions such as what, when, where, from whom, for whom. Okay, all these questions should be answered. So when someone looks at the notice, they must be able to understand what is written there. Okay, see, this is an example of a notice. Here, first thing is the issuing authority. Okay, which place. Amar school, this is the name of a school. Okay, the date when this notice was printed. Then the headline. Okay, what is the subject or the headline? Change in 5A timetable. 5A is the name of the class. Okay, so there is a change in that, and they have notified that, they have given that information to all the students. All class 5A section students, all class 5A all class 5 section A students will have mathematics class instead of English class during the first period on Tuesdays. On Thursdays, the sixth period will be an English class instead of a mathematics class. Students should bring their textbooks and workbooks accordingly. Okay, so they have given the information to the students. And who has given the information? Name and designation. Okay, in this case it is Gokulman. Name and designation. Okay, name and designation is the position. Designation is nothing but the position of the person issuing the notice should be provided here. Okay, who is Gokulman? He is the class teacher for 5A. Okay, name and the designation is the class teacher, the position. Then body. Okay, it talks about the content. Okay, what is written in that. Okay, children, we'll do one exercise based on this. Shahu Senior Secondary School has issued a notice regarding their annual spelling bee competition. Can you identify and name the parts of the notice? Yes. Okay, we'll do that. It's very easy, children. Okay, Shahu Senior Secondary School, that will be the issuing authority. Okay, then 7th November, that is the date. Okay, when it was issued. Then the headline. So what is the headline? Spelling bee competition. There's going to be a spelling bee competition. Okay, a spelling bee competition is being hosted for class 1 to 5 at the school auditorium on 3rd January 2019. Those interested in participating should register their names on or before 15th December 2019. The first prize is a trip to an amusement park and a trophy. All will receive certificates of participation. For more details, contact the office before 4 p.m. today. What is this, children? This is the body of the notice. Okay, so you write body here. Then, who has given this? I told you previously the name and the designation. Okay, name. Okay, Kushi Singh, and the designation. Who is Kushi Singh? He or she is the president of the activity club, Shahu Senior Secondary School. Okay, so designation. The designation, you write it here. Name, you write it in this box. Okay, children, I hope you will have understood this, how to write a notice. Thank you.